On behalf of the College of Local Administration at Konkan University, today I would like to introduce the three renowned professors from two different countries. Starting first on the left-hand side, I would like to introduce Professor Christopher Grandy from the University of Hawaii. Next to him is Professor Hirofumi Ando from Nihon University. Professor Hirofumi Ando once served as the Deputy Director General of the UNFPA, which stands for United Nations Fund for Population Activities, headquarters in New York. And then Professor Gail Dines from the University of Michigan, who has been affiliated and helped us in many ways for nearly 20 years. And I also would like to introduce our host today and welcome her. Is Miss Elizabeth Presser from from Princeton University.
Well, thank you very much for introducing me, Dr. Piricit, the Dean of the College of Local Administration. I'd like to start today by asking just a few questions. The first question that we have is, what are your views on the academic standards and the quality of education in the doctoral degree program here at the College of Local Administration?
I think I'd like to take a shot at that because I've worked with Konkan University for 20 years and have watched many things grow in a very progressive, very rational way. As this program has, it began in the Faculty of Humanities and Social Science when Professor Piricit was Dean, looking at local administration and the development of local administration. They set up a center for investigating local administration, and that led to the development of the College of Local Administration. Each step up was a step up in increasing the quality of instruction and the expansion of instruction. Another thing that you see is increasing capacity in English. Thailand has never been colonized. It's not an English language state or a French language state. It's a Thai language state. That's a wonderful thing, but it presents a real challenge. Be part of a global system, you've got to have capacities in English. And I watched those grow tremendously. Right now I'm working with 6 graduate students, all of them quite fluent in English. That's really a big improvement that I've seen here.
Great, thank you, Professor Ness. The next question is, how do you think that the College of Local Administration's relationships with U.S. universities contributes to the course of education here?
Well, I'll take a try at that question. It follows on Professor Ness's response. Certainly, U.S. universities and faculty can contribute to the knowledge and the development of the facility in English language. But we also bring a certain perspective, if you like, in some areas, a certain expertise and experience. But this relationship is also two ways. As U.S. faculty contribute here, we also learn from the students and from the Thai faculty in local administration applications and issues that will be of value and interest to our students and faculty in the U.S.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Grandy. The last question is, how do you think international organizations help contribute to the College of Local Administration?
Well, as you can see already, the College of Local Administration is pretty international, represented by the 2 professors beside me. But what I suggest is that the College of Administration can further strengthen the international ties which already have established. For instance, with the Nihon University, you've been working with that. And then I can also suggest that some Asian regional institutions like Asian Urban Information Center in Kobe, which deals with the city administration of the cities in Asian countries. In addition to that, probably we can help expand the international relations through the United Nations systems in the future. We already have the UN system, but we can further strengthen that.
Thank you for all your observation, and I think this is quite unique, and it is a good illustration of how unique our doctoral degree program on public affair management. And I would like to thank you for all of you for sharing your time with us today. Thank you.
Our pleasure.
We got